Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream puffs at home. First, gather your ingredients: water, butter, flour, eggs, and a pinch of salt and sugar. We'll start by preparing the chew pastry, which is surprisingly easy to master. This versatile dough forms the light, hollow shells perfect for any sweet or savory filling. Get ready to impress your friends and family with these elegant, homemade pastries. Now let's make the chew pastry. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, half a stick of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then remove it from the heat. Quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until the dough pulls away from the sides of the pan. Let it cool slightly. Then beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, until the dough is smooth and shiny. With your chew pastry ready, it's time to shape our cream puffs. Use a pastry bag with a round tip, or simply 2 spoons, to drop mounds of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Leave about 2 inches between each puff to allow for expansion. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown and feel light and hollow. After your cream puffs have cooled completely, it's time for the best part: filling them. You can either slice them in half horizontally or make a small hole in the bottom to pipe in your chosen filling. Classic options include sweetened whipped cream or a rich pastry cream, but don't hesitate to get creative with fruit, chocolate ganache, or even ice cream. These homemade delights are perfect for any occasion. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.